from us where you could go and relax. Newly renovated and just opened last month. Also has plenty of coffee shops like Farley's and that new one a block away whose name I do not remember. Sundance. And here is the Hat Factory. It was once a hat factory, and we are told in the future it will be again as well. Here at the Hat Factory, you buzz in by pressing the buttons that are shown. Hopefully, a representative will be on the other end.
Good afternoon, Hat Factory.
Hi, I would like to come into said Hat Factory.
Come on in.
And here's the inside. You'll notice the inside where we have a large desk where Ted is working. Say hi, Ted.
Hi, Ted.
That is Jay and Neil. Say hi, Jay and Neil.
Hi, Jay and Neil.
That joke's so old.
All your kitchen dreams come true here.
We have our own refrigerator.
That is your own refrigerator. This is banana bread made by Drupal. I mean, Neil. Thanks, Neil.
I'm Ryan, and I'm the token girl that works in the space. So please, women, come work here.
Everything here is adaptable, so it's really, we're looking for people who are willing to come in and help us build this place, and we can make it anything we want.
So what's this room, Jay?
This room is where, it's a quiet room, where anyone can come in and you can either work quietly or do phone calls or do its meetings.
I like how you don't have to convert anything in yours. So make sure you check our website to see when we are open. You will find it right here. Open, closed.
Thanks, Shlomo.